Hey everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're switching things up. This isn't a usual tutorial. Instead, in this video I will be sharing some amazing tips and tricks in CapCut that will not only save you tons of time, but also take your editing workflow to the next level. But before that, if you already know these tips and features, then let me know which features is most useful. So, without further ado, let's start the video. So first feature is video to audio converter. This is so underrated feature of CapCut that I think few editors know. Let's say you saw an edit and you like its background music, but you don't know what's name of that music. In this case, I just go to sound and audio. After that, I click right option, and there you see extract audio. Now I click on that and select that particular video which you want to convert into audio. So this is the video's audio which I like, and now click add. There you see it's extracted. Now click that plus button to add your audio. And now you can use it. Next feature that CapCut provide is music gallery. You can now directly add your favorite music to CapCut without going anywhere. Just click audio and sound, and there you see full of search bar where you can search your required audio and directly import to your project. Let me show you. Here you can find every kind of song like funk, lofi, instrumental, and many more. After finding song, just click plus button and you are done. No need to go anywhere. Next feature is sound effects. This is just boon for editors. Let me show you. Click on audio and you see a sound effects option. You can now add sound effects here from in CapCut for transitions. As you can see, there is many more transition and meme sound effects for video. You can choose them to make your video more engaging and funny. Now let's say I need a beep sound effects. Now all I have to do is type beep in search bar and here. Next tip is multiple text select. Let's say you made a mistake while writing text and now you want to remove it. Now what you used to do earlier was remove text one by one, like this. But now you can remove all text at once. Just select text and slide right. There you see multi-select. Now tap that particular text that you want to remove and it removed all at once. You see how time-saving as this feature is. Next tip is multicolor text. Here's how it works. Type your text first. Now long press to that text which you want to add different color, and now select edit style. Now choose gradient for changing color. As you see how easy this to do. So these are some amazing features in CapCut that boost your workflow in regular basis. If you want the part 2 of CapCut tips and tricks, then complete 1K like to this video and subscribe to my channel.